trigonometry and we will learn about the basic concepts of trigonometry. To start with the trigonometry, we will learn how it is related to right angle triangle. So let us first draw a right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle. Let us consider this as angle theta. So looking at a right angle triangle, the line, this is called as perpendicular. This line is known as base and this line is known as hypotenuse. Let us abbreviate perpendicular as P, base as B, and hypotenuse as H. As we have studied about the very basic angles that are sine, cosine, and tangent, let us first take these angles and how they are related in a right angle triangle. You people must be knowing about the Pythagoras theorem. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, h, that is hypotenuse, is related to perpendicular and base, where hypotenuse is under root of perpendicular square plus the base square. Moving on further to these three very basic angles or terminologies, sine in terms of angle, that is sine theta, is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cosine, which could be written as cos theta, is base upon hypotenuse. And tangent, which could be written simply as tan theta, is perpendicular upon base. Now, some more angles we have which are simply related to these three angles or have come out from these three angles. So, which are cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. Cosecant theta, secant theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta, that is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Secant theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, that is base upon perpendicular. So we have very 6 basic terminologies, that is sine, theta, cos theta, tan theta, which are or inversely related to cosecant theta, that is 1 over sine theta, cos theta, secant theta, that is 1 over cos theta, and cot theta, that is 1 over tan theta. We will understand about these angles further when we study trigonometry in detail. So, let us try to understand what is the fundamental unit, that is degree, and its relationship, its relation with radian. To understand this, let us take a circle. So, sorry, let us draw it once again because it is not properly drawn. Alright, this is perfect. Let us take a reference line or baseline on which we subtend an angle theta. So, the very basic concept we need to understand between the degree and radian, when we move from this reference line and complete one rotation through the circle, we complete 360 degree of angle, that is theta in a complete circle would be 360 degree. And in our junior classes, we also studied 360 degree completes 2 pi radian. Alright, so from this we can see that 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian, or 1 degree is equal to 2 pi by 1, 2 pi by 360 degree, that is pi by 180 radian. Vice versa, 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree implies 1 radian is equal to 360 degree upon 2 pi, that is 180 degree by pi. So what would be our relation? That will be 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian or 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Alright, so we talk about radian and degree. Let us understand what this radian actually means. We know fundamentally the value of pi universally accepted is 3.14. So simply divide 180 by 3.14 and the value is 57.3 degree. This means when we move in a circle, an angle of, or when we move in circle 1 radian, we complete, okay, let us write down here theta, and if theta is 1 radian implies or is equal to 57.3 degree. Let us now calculate through this conversion factor some very basic angles that are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree. So we do not have to do much, but only we multiply these values or angles by the conversion factor, that is pi by 180. So it simply becomes 0 radian pi by 180 multiplied by 30 is pi by 6 radians. 45 degrees would be pi by 4 radians. 90 degree would be pi by 2 radians. 180 degree would be simply pi radian. 270 would be 3 pi by 2 radians. And lastly, 360 would be pi by 180 to 360, that will be 2 pi radians. So this is the value or the initial equation from where we calculated these angles. So today we learned about the very fundamental things, that are how angles sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cot are related to right angle triangle, and the conversion factor, that is the relation between the relation between degree and radian. In next class, we will study some more concepts about the trigonometry, further moving on to this topic. Thank you very much for today. Have a good day.